Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. Here is the tea, and I think this is a problem. There is no way I can close it if there is a cut in. And when I open it, I can tuck it in. It will be better this way. I do not know what is the design idea of it, but yeah, it's something to improve, right? So this is iteaworld tea, and this is a winner tea. I got this one as a winner unboxing. And this one is bold, cold brew, but I can also do it in hot water. Last time I have done it in cold brew. What is cold brew? It's steeping in cold water. So your normal room temperature water, or just some water that you do not need to heat up. If it is room temperature, use room temperature. If it is out of refrigerator, out of refrigerator. If it is under the sunshine, a little bit hot, the water, use that water. There is a bigger range of it. You do not have to be too hot, too cold. You just any water, any temperature of water. And today I want to do this one in hot water method. I am a hot water person, hot tea person, and I have a preference. If where is that one? Cannot find it. If I have a choice, I would like to drink it hot. So I cannot find that piece of tea. I must have put it into somewhere else, so we will do it just this tea. Let me see. 桂花乌龙. Oh, all these teas are pressed. That's actually perfect. I have never tried 六宝. Jasmine 六宝. So it's jasmine tea and it's dark tea. And it's autumn time. I do want to have some dark tea. I do not want to have very raw, very green tea. This is darker tea. That is good. I think I will do it a little bit light. You can break in half. That is sufficient for me. And this, we put it back and put in boiling water. How boiling? It's been 3 minutes since, so it's been 3 minutes since I start video. That's the tea, and I will steep it and make it hot. I am personally a hot tea person, so that's how many tea I have. I actually do not have that many tea. Now I almost stopped buying tea because I have winter unboxing, so I do not really need to buy any tea. Yeah. So this is the tea. We put it aside a little bit, and we can take a look at this tea. So this is wholesome berry tea. I put some wholesome berry, and I put some berry apple peas and boiling water in this pot for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, as you like. And then when it is still hot, I put into this bottle, and now it's sealed. You can see it's true. It's sucked up. And if I put in refrigerator, it will be very, very super duper fresh, and I love it. I think the tea is almost done. Excuse me. Family are talking. Okay, maybe this is 2 minutes, only 2 minutes. We wait a little bit. You can see the color of the tea. Oh my, so beautiful. Actually, maybe I should put a whole bottle. A whole piece of it. It seems a little bit too light. Let's see. Let it some movement instead of using instead of stirring it. Okay, put this one back. This is good for digestion. It's always good to drink a lot of water, right? To 15 seconds. Okay, so this one is it's already 2-3 minutes, so I can start to drink it. Looks good, huh? Oh, wow. It's very, very, very delicious. Okay, now family need to do something, so I have tasted it, and it's just so very good. I have a hard time to find words to describe it. It's cleansing, and no bitterness, because it's a kind of matured tea, fermented tea, so it's already developed. So there is a lot of internal strength, but there is nothing sharp, nothing just to feel very raw. It does not have that feel, that taste, and very comforting. And hot tea is something that I personally prefer. So this is just on point. And there is a little bit of sweetness in it. You have seen that these tea are all pressed into tea cake, right? Pressed into small flat pieces. no matter which tea, are all flattened. So I think the reason is because when you press it, it is heavy and the density is high. And you put into cold water, it will drop to the bottom so that it can emerge in the bottom. If individual leaf you put into cold water, it will be floating on top of the water. It will take much longer time for it to hydrate, right? This way it helps with hydration. So this is why it is pressed. I'm just thinking about this physical thing. The flavor is the same. A little bit jasmine flavor. This is jasmine 6宝. I do not think I have tried 6宝, so it's something that very new to me, and I really enjoy it. Really very enjoyable. I think I will use a big cup and enjoy it solid, like a donkey, just because it's so good. So you need to drink it yourself. I have some friends said that they bought it because they watched the video and they think it's good. And yeah, it is good. It is very good. Look at this golden color, little bit of copper golden, bronze golden color. So okay, I will enjoy my night, enjoy my tea. And if you are sensitive to tea, to coffee, to caffeine, maybe it's not a good idea to drink this kind of tea in the evening. For me, drinking tea at any time does not really influence me. Not very much. Sometimes when I am in the mood of being influenced by the tea, then I will be very much influenced by the tea. Today, I feel that no matter what tea I drink, if I need to sleep, if I'm tired, I can sleep. But anyway, I live one life, right? If I want to enjoy this cup of tea, I do not mind if tomorrow comes as a good day or a bad day, or if tomorrow comes or not. I am enjoying this moment. I want to drink this sip of tea. This sip of tea, then I'm doing it. Bye-bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Goodbye, bye. Good night.